All right, quick introduction to the token pass free response question. As always, you have a choice of writing it out on paper or typing it up in an editor. The uh, the question is here, so you can double click on this PDF and read through it. This is one that's kind of got a lot going on, so it's a huge part of this is understanding the question. So I would read through it at least once, maybe twice, and then definitely look at these examples because they'll kind of help you, especially when they get this idea of passing the tokens. If you've ever played the game Mancala, that actually helps quite a bit because this is kind of like the game Mancala. So you can read through this information, all right, and then as far as coding it goes, again, if you're writing it out, you can just write these method headings and write the code for part A. Actually, this is not a method, this is a constructor, and then write the code for the constructor. And then for part B, you're doing a method, and you can write just the heading of the method and fill in the code. If you are programming it up in Eclipse, here's what I have. Basically, I made a class called TokenPass, and then it's got two private instance variables of a board and a current player. So the board is an array, an int array, and the current player is just like a number. And then you have to set up the constructor in part A, so you could here's the heading of it, and then you could fill in the code. And then part B is a distribute tokens method that's void, but then you could fill in the code there too. And you're going to be using these two variables in your method. So that'd be kind of the setup if you're typing it up. Either route is fine. Again, remember there are help videos out here if you get stuck. So I would try reading through it, try it a little bit on your own. But if you get stuck, you can watch part of the video, get unstuck, and then kind of go from there. Right, but for the most part, I want you to try it at least first on your own and only use these videos when you get stuck. When you're done, turn in either the .java code in your Google Drive folder, upload it here, or your pictures. You can turn those in either spot too. If you wrote it out, take pictures and turn those in. That's it. Good luck.